Where are they coming from?
He's dead.
Oh, he's north?
I killed him.
Who's the guy in the blue band?
It was the cart guy.
The cart guy?
Yeah.
Oh, you?
Yeah, I killed him.
I tried telling you guys about him.
Should I go rob the cart guy?
No, the cops are right there.
Sheriff's right there.
Well, I killed him in self-defense.
It don't matter.
The sheriff will be mad?
Yeah, probably. It's against the law.
To murder in self-defense?
To rob somebody it is?
But I'm not robbing him.
Yeah, you are.
He's dead.
Oh. He's already dead.
Why do I turn this shit on?
There's a button.
You guys see that fall I just had? That was fucking pathetic.
Okay. What's the, oh, yeah, I saw that. You get on camera? Hey, you're gonna get babies in our quesadillas! Here, S3.
Trying to run a respectable store here.
I don't know what it was, but that cart guy was just full autoing, so I think he has an LMG.
Oh.
He has one like mounted to his cart.
Yeah. I think he knows there's no. Someone just walked around the
people
side.
moving around. Yeah, I wouldn't go out there.
Someone just walked around the left side of our store.
General Lee's coming down the street.
Maybe. Oh, that might be it.
Oh, yeah.
Howdy. Quesadillas, food. Prices are on the door.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it's up here.
Oh, you know what? It's hot.
I know, yeah, that's why I thought, that's why, yeah.
Energy drink.
Right here. We got Monster and Red Bull.
That's so cool.
One more Monster.
What about the power?
What?
the
Oh,
Powerade? Just
The
those.
wedding is starting
Powerade,
in
that's the
like
pop.
8 minutes.
These are 5.
You're there.
Okay.
Would you like one?
Yep.
What color?
Red.
We got quesadillas.
Most people make sure you turn off the stove too.
Copy that.
Oh, no, other way.
Where is the wedding?
There you go.
Oh no, it's the in-game money. So it's red token. I mean blue
Can
token.
you tell me a red token?
Are we doing that?
Can we take cash for?
I mean, we could,
As long as nobody knows you, no.
I don't see why not.
if you're cool with it, I mean, like, what do you want?
Pop.
$1? I don't care.
Yeah, $1. That's all.
I don't have $1.
Oh, what do you got?
Here. You have the 5?
Yep.
I don't think I got change.
Here you go.
Better get in-game currencies.
You were supposed to get it at the start. If you went to the store, they would have given it to
Yeah,
you.
there were people handing out chips.
So if I was an asshole and I came like 2 hours later than the game started, and I lost the money,
Oh.
I don't know.
Can you get the speaker going?
You could go talk to one of the refs, and I'm sure they could figure something out to get you some.
you think?
Yeah.
Do you not have change?
Nope.
He didn't get any of the coins.
Why don't you just give him one, and if
I did.
okay, I was gonna say yeah, just come back, pay us back if you can.
He paid like with real money.
What's that? We're trying not to.
I got shot in the fucking hand. I was like, Jesus Christ.
Already?
By the
Literally
cart
just
guy?
vibing, man just shot me. I'm like, I'm
By the
just
cart guy?
existing. What's up?
The cart guy shot you?
No, guy with the fucking metal helmet on. Literally just
Oh,
standing
yeah. That's what I'm talking about. He just started like shooting into our building.
I'm gonna kill him again next time I see him. Can I arrest
My
people?
boys are with
I'm assuming
the
I'm allowed to
sheriffs.
arrest people.
Are you a police officer?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
Deputy.
guess.
Deputy.
Deputy
I'd arrest
sheriff.
him.
Excellent.
Actually, the knee
We
and
voted for the sheriff.
What?
We voted for the sheriff.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep.
We like to hear that.
Be safe. You too. Thank you for your service. I'm a little delirious.
Right?
That's hilarious.
Internet? What the fuck? Phone? Pay like $40
Yeah.
a month.
Yeah, when the shooting was happening, they had a guy posted at this window, and he was looking, and I saw him, and he's like, oh, he's probably cool. I mean, they probably set up in there, and he was as scared as we were when shots started going off.
We don't actually have much cheese. A little worried about that.
What?
We don't have much cheese for the quesadillas.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have way more fucking tortillas.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to start rationing it. I can't be giving out them big boy quesadillas.
Yeah.
Any more?
There's 2 more bags in there.
3 bags.
3.
Oh, 3?
I
Okay.
should have bought the 32 ounces of cheese.
How you doing?
Selling stuff for in-game currency. We've got a little store going.
Yo, you making quesadillas?
Yeah.
To make quesadillas, bro. Until our cheese runs out.
Why come back later?
Alright, we have limited cheese, so. I got
We'll cook it, yeah.
Boy, if this is what post-apocalyptic America's gonna be like, bring it on.
That was the
Right.
fucking drug dealer that I robbed.
That was.
Yeah, the one with the
Behind.
long hair. Yeah, I walked back there.
Which one's the police station?
Uh,
Or I should say sheriff
pretty deep
substation.
in there.
Is it that blue one by the playground? Hello.
On our menu right here, some quesadillas. Some snacks. Meal package quesadilla, fries, chips. No, we don't serve animals here. Yeah, we got a menu right here.
What? No, it's in it.
How much is the powder rate? We got stuff. I mean, if you bring
What's your
something,
question?
cook it.
How much is the powder rate?
Powerade's 5. All drinks except for the energy drinks are 5.
Okay, you got energy drinks too? You
Yeah.
got a Red Bull? How much Red Bull? Probably like 20?
Just
10.
trying to run a respectable store here, sir.
What if I like,
We heard some trouble.
in-game currency?
Yeah.
So 10 white or, oh that's
10
right.
white, 2 red, 1 blue.
1 blue.
Or if you're feeling it, just 150. One black
We'll
one.
take tips.
Private property.
Yeah, I don't want anything right now.
I have some rare metal coins that are worth 2 blues.
Power?
Yeah.
Oh, it's chips?
I mean, if you
Yeah,
really
not
did
much.
set it up.
Stupid.
Let's see them.
Yeah, two blue, right? You said for.
I've only
For
rocked
what?
it like
1
20
blue for a Red Bull.
1 blue for a Red Bull.
What about Red Bull? Or are you putting them
One blue for either.
Okay.
What would you like?
You guys accept
Bull.
the rare metal currency?
Good shit. Thank you, bro.
Fuck out of here.
That's gold, guys. That's 100.
Yeah, you went to the sprockets on the where the machine breaks here. You're gonna need it.
Wax? What? Where?
I think I looted a blue somewhere around here.
Go around from what are you out
Yeah,
there?
we should
I
know
already
where.
did. I mean, I got my, I don't know how. Oh, actually, you guys, these go pretty hot in these apocalyptic
Oh,
times.
spark plugs. I think, what's his face? Fence will buy that.
You playing Tarkov now?
Yeah.
I already fucking used all my rubles on this shit crew.
Yeah. What, are you back for round 2?
Holy fuck.
How much
Sun?
$5.
Dollars?
No,
Check.
everything's in-game currency.
I didn't get any chips.
Hey, you didn't go to the cashier. They didn't point you in the right direction when you got your wristband. You had to know to go to the fucking lady in the box.
You guys got garbage?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
wait,
can I make a charade? I haven't opened this. Like one of those.
Nah.
I don't know, those Capri Suns, they're going for a lot. We got plenty of water, not too many Capri Suns.
Yeah.
You try and sell that, go buy a Capri Sun.
I'll buy water.
I'm about to buy a monster.
5 chips now. So healthy, so.
I'll tell you what. I'll give you one.
For water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take a monster.
Alright.
Thanks, boss.
Yep. We're just putting them in there.
No, loose in there?
Yes, go for a case.
Oh, okay. I thought you said loose. Alright. Here. There, I have some more to put in there. Kevin, wait a second.
Oh, you got more?
Yeah. Like a lot more.
Where's the wedding gonna be?
I don't think it's not all gonna fit. Just put them in here.
It's gonna be up at the
The indoor field.
yeah, the indoor
okay.
field.
It's kind of hard to rob people because I don't want to rob them out in the open.
Yeah. I'm gonna get him into a secluded space first.
Yeah, exactly. Some guy offered to sell me drugs and I shot his ass.
What'd you take off him?
Not much because I died right after.
Mm.
So I basically, no profit, but no loss.
Got it.